100% talent Jamaica.
I'm very proud of this show and I'm so excited. Alright, so we're moving on to the contestants. Them, roll them out right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. You know what I mean? Look for your favorite contestant and put in the vote for the contestants. Please and thanks. Alright, so our next artist will be performing right now. Go by the name of Dozen. Yeah. Dozen. Oh, go on, brother.
Million dollar vice, big up yourself, we are going easy, 100% talent. Every week we out here promote the self, I promote the show. And we now have members to promote the music said, we can't forget ourselves. Each week, member for promote. Come out, look the vote them. Big up the competition said yeah. But you're reading the DJ Smokey.
Chopper record.
I remember say one nation, so bro, big up on yourself. Well, here I go on. A couple subject yet she don't own a topic. No afraid did I run me know she woulda got it. Like crime coulda stopped me know you woulda stop with the problem them inna the jacket. If she beg me a bills me nah search my pocket. Waste them time I hear a John know me no have it. Long time now me gonna dig up me closet. Me now want fear up the time look so tragic. Hey Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Dear Prime Minister, hey dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me. Watch I know, when since butterflies start make honey to me, we now have the most money. When since bees start love nectar, big up to every private sector, big up to hundreds so me get a job. Call me little sister, I'm nah but I rap. Dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Prime Minister, hey dear Prime Minister, how come you so sinister? Prime Minister, dear Miss Mister, yeah me a ball for me sister. Watch I know, I went since this start look does. Big up on yourself, 100% talent every time,
Hey you Prime Minister, hey you Prime Minister, me a ball for my sister. Hey, that's a big of yourself. Hey baby, I tell you, very talented artist, bad singer, you know what I mean? Our General, Judge, our General. Does he,
Yeah, bad artist doesn't. You always afforded a message. You see me, I deal with always a defend righteousness, always a defend a standard of living. You see me, I did a stick out, a stand out for the poor. You see me, I deal with them. Respect that and love that. You see me? At the same time, I think that song they should be delivered with more aggression. Because when we are talking about the Prime Minister and we are talking about Babylon system, we don't run joke. You know what the thing go, we deal with them serious. You over them I deal with. So at them energy them want with the song. You see me? Because the song itself potent, the lyrics potent, but we want the energy so we feel it. Because when we talk about Prime Minister and a joke thing, you over them I deal with. So with that said, me give you a 7. Same way.
Alright, thank you for that, our General. Yes, D-Rob Alisha.
Same thing, as we say, when doesn't afford out, we can't expect nothing but this message from doesn't. You see me I say? So we'll give doesn't a 8 for that said way.
Thank you for that.
Yeah man, doesn't for the next president, yeah? Yeah man, the man political, music and I preach the righteousness, you understand what I say? And we love that cause we need to hear that, you understand what I say? And hope it fall upon the right ears too. You get what I say? So with that being said, your performance is upon the usual dozen level, you understand? So we know dozen vibes and we know dozen level already, you understand what I say? So I could just give an 8 on that one there.
Alright, that's a big up yourself, what you mean? Hey, the man reach out to the Prime Minister, They don't know a thing. All, as I say, 100% talent Jamaica. We're moving artists to another level. Big up all the judges and all contestants right now. Alright then. Hey, Portmore. We say we're excited. Talent show, excited. Moving on to another performance right now. Go by the name of Ecstatic. Ecstatic. Hey, we say we're excited. Ecstatic. Hey, big up yourself, Ecstatic. Go on. Big up yourself. I want bad DJ this too, where are you doing? Make Jamaica the world know where you have now. Make where you have. License. You know it's ecstatic. Yeah, man, I don't know the thing, but we bring the vibes, you see? So I have to big up everybody over there. First of all, Master Bros, Nero, our General. Yeah, I may say everybody, you see me? DJ Smokey Million. Right there, so just drop it track, my General, because I don't know me come to talk to the girl them. Right there, so change up the swag a bit. No, listen. Every girl is, yo, get girl and make money and me a be. Thump up them girl body like Mohammed Ali. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Listen me. Yeah, let me tell you this. If you are no gal, so get beat bad. Pretty sexy girl and my type, I want to keep bad. No boy can't manage a tickers back weak bad. Man a fear teach, make them learn. Leapfrog from she get the real card. Praise me like a Greek god. Stab up the meat bad. She love her GG swag. Cologne a kick like sneakers. Girl a give me ticky like Nike and stripe like Adidas. No boy girl a check the dan. Me shift the sexy tongue. Plug in like electrician. Rev it like a Christmas sun. Touch girl good. Use the lyrics, make me song. Me convert every lesbian. Me a the girl them leprechaun. You're bad like go-go one pony pole. Underneath a good like gold. Deal with the best like cinnamon roll. I know crab alone live in a hole. Touch you like me escape from prison and never get parole. Weightless like me take your soul. Come on a bedroom bully. Not just today. From see me give me start work. Now say them a gal is but we are on the turf. Cause it's not about the amount of gal how you do the work. Bully not just today. From birth. See me give me start work. Now say them a gal is but we are on the turf. It's not about the amount of. Listen me. Now say me never broke down on a girl yet, but me know fi redeem myself. Guineas and oats and peanut. She get lean up when man a beat to the belt. She run to the door, can't get no help. Hard stabbing, make she a melt. Turn it up, make the fire start. You know what I say so? Listen me, y'all a ball, y'all a beg, on the floor, on the bed, on the tip, on the edge, y'all a plead, y'all a pledge, y'all a run to the door, can't find the key and not take the sledge. She say me sweeter than a nothing make bully, not just today, from birth. See me, she want give me, start work. You say them a gal is but how we are on the turf. Not about the amount of gal, how you do the work, man. License, ecstatic.
License, big up yourself, my G. You know, we're going to have everybody moving right now. Me, I tell you the whole place. So you're excited. Hey, today, Boulay. Here's man, Boulay. All right, moving on to our judges right now. Nero Balisha, what you think about his performance just now? Ecstatic.
Ecstatic always doing thing in sense of him energy always up as if him perform for a live audience outside of like the arena said way. Zine. But that singer, I never dare hear some of the lyrics them. That still don't mean nothing still because me hear majority out already. I was a fast part and they're going to a fast part now. I'm like better run out and thing. You see me? But I know it go. It happened to you too. See? But with that said, still me give him an 8. You know what I mean? But in delivery, everything for me alright on point.
Big up Neo, you mean Bruce?
Yeah man, ecstatic. You step it up a level a week. You understand what I say? Yeah man, song well potent, full of lyrics. I don't know so much lyrics all in a one song. You understand? Remind me of a Jamaican version of Eminem. Yeah man, so you have to get a 10 for that. Is what I say? Wicked piece of effort you push out today. Energy high.
Alright, big up yourself, my boss. Hey, the one there remind me of one of the Vibes Cartel song them. Hey, the original Gales. Our General.
Yeah, yo, boss. Big up yourself, $1 million voice. Bados. Ecstatic, bad artist. You see me I deal with? Yeah, song. Wicked song, you see me? Galley song, you know. Read the lyrics in the song, you see me? But me think it shouldn't be delivered better. As how me know Ecstatic as a bad artist, I've seen him delivered much better on this platform numerous amount of times. This is one of the worst deliverance from Ecstatic because the rhythm itself from him start, him have even when him start him half the rhythm, him have to say turn it up if you don't dare pay attention, he overs and then him catch back the rhythm. He overs what me I deal with. So me think it should have just delivered better. You see me? But the lyrics are chopped, so 7 CM way, you see me?
Alright, thank you for that. Our General 100% talent Jamaica moving on this to another level. Ecstatic, big up yourself. Hey, the man say my girl is, you know, like chop them like peanut. Something like that, them lean up. 100% talent Jamaica. We like go and moving on to another great performer. I think this artist is a good singer too, you know. You know what I mean? Go by the name of Brina. Hey, Brina, make your way to center stage. Brianna. Yes, Brianna. Thank you for that, Brianna. Hey, Brianna, come out today. Yes, Brianna, alright? Let's do this right now.
I'm oh no, let it burn. Oh, let it burn. Let it burn.
Yes, Brianna! What a way you come out! Hey, moving on to our judges. First judges, Nero.
Baby, which part of your body hurt you right now? Me see a whole lamp on your neck, you know. me see a whole lamp on your neck. But you're always a contestant that have a very good voice. You have a very, very good voice. And I think this song fits you. The song here fit you. You're going with a bag of things said way. So with that, me give you a 9 for that still. The 1 point where you miss are the usage of the stage. While you're performing, do remember you're not inside your house. Eminem sing a song, lose yourself, listen to that song. You only have one chance. But we are 9 for that. Big up yourself, Brianna.
Alright, Nero Banisha, thank you for that. Bruce, what do you think about her performance?
Yeah, excellent performance. The rendition was good. The voice was good because ironically it's a song this me listen to regular. You understand? Yeah, man. you get the original justice panda one here. So may I give 1 9 panda one, alright?
Alright, thank you for that, Bruce. Alright, General, now him always alright. How am I right over there? Only my
Yeah.
Alright, General.
Yo, boss, Brianna. Manners and respect. Give thanks for being a part of the show. You see me I did outfit attire fully up. You see me I did the song choice fully up. Me not tell a lie. Me love the song where you choose and love how you sing it. You see me I deal with. Really and truly you hit one note and you kinda crack a bit and you fell off of the rhythm one little part of one bridge. You miss one bridge. And me as a person who like original song. Me not really like cover version. But you do the cover version just. You get me I deal with. So with that said, me I give you 8. You see me?
Alright, thank you all the judges. I mean, hopefully to see you in the next round. Hey, may I tell you, big up Brianna. Hey, the rain is a whole parade of fall outside. Jamaica, the rain is falling right now. 100% talent Jamaica. You don't know a thing. I'm your host, $1 Million Voice. So we're moving on to another performer right now. Remember to keep the votes coming in. And if you think Brianna just sing for you properly and you like her, put in the vote for all contestants. Alright, so moving on right now. Yai ball. Yai ball. 100% talent Jamaica. Yai ball. Wagwan. It's been a while, my bro. Where you dealing? Where you feeling that week?
God is good, man, and we come down already, man.